You don't need 40 hours a week. You need a system. Most people think more hours equals more money, but what if you could flip that? I work just 2 hours a day, and no, I'm not special. I just stopped chasing hustle and started using a system that works for me. If you're craving freedom, time, and peace, let me give you the real tea. Tip 1, work with a system, not a to-do list. I use the Digital Magnetic System, DMS, because it does 90% of the heavy lifting. No custom funnels, no tech headaches, just simple plug and play. Tip 2, batch your content. Spend one day creating a week's worth of reels, carousels, or posts. Use Canva or Pexels to make it simple. Tip 3, stick to one offer. I promote one thing, DMS. No shiny object syndrome, one offer, one message. Daily results. Tip 4, turn content into conversations. I don't just post and hope. I reply to comments, start conversations, and build trust in the DMs. Use AI plus tools smartly. I use AI like SSW to plan, write captions, and script videos like this. It's a free AI bot that you get that creates your content for you. Tools don't replace you, they support you. Tip 6, protect your peace. What's the point of online income if you're still burnt out? Set a timer, work 2 hours, then shut the laptop. Walk, breathe, be present. I didn't start this life to work all day. I started because I was tired of missing moments. You're not lazy. You just need a better system. Want the exact system I use to work 2 hours a day and still make sales? Comment start or click the link below. Let's build your freedom plan without the burnout.